Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by capturing the BitLocker recovery key ID shown on the Lenovo screen. Write it down exactly. Once done, use a second device to sign into the account that may store keys: personal Microsoft account, Azure AD, or your corporate portal. Make sure TPM is enabled in BIOS and that you have any company contact info ready. This first step matters because the key is matched to that ID. Without the correct ID, you cannot find the right recovery key. Next, go look up keys where they are typically backed up. For personal devices, sign into your Microsoft account and check the BitLocker keys under Devices. Match the recovery key ID. For work devices, use Azure AD or Intune Portal and search devices by ID, or escalate to your IT admin who can query Active Directory or SCCM. If you find a matching key, copy it precisely. Make sure to keep the device offline until you have the key to avoid extra lock actions. Finally, enter the full 48-digit recovery key shown in your account or provided by IT to unlock the drive. Type it carefully and press Enter. Once Windows starts, suspend BitLocker, decrypt if needed, and immediately back up the new recovery key to your Microsoft account and an external USB or printed copy. If you cannot find the key, recheck the recovery key ID, inspect printed materials or USBs, and contact IT. If none match and data is not recoverable, re-imaging the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.